You're invited to Parallax Open House and Education Day on Friday, May 2nd and Propeller Developer Day on Saturday, May 3rd. You'll see some interesting robots as soon as you come in the building. You can drive around the super-sized Cyberbot. You'll see how one P2 can fully emulate 8 video games. We'll show you some of the neat things we've got in development. You can play with all of our educational robots. The community will show off different things they've made with the Propeller multi-core microcontroller and see some cute little ones that walk around. There's a whole table of junk where you can take stuff away for free. You'll get a tour of our surface mount assembly line and see our pick and place in process. Do you want to drive our forklift? Josh makes it happen in the back. All the Propeller chips. We'll show you all of our parts and inventory. Cool things we make with them, and a little bit of Parallax history. Some of my star performers. See you at Parallax soon.